Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to learn about lowest common multiple. So when we say lowest common multiple or the LCM, it is the smallest number that two or more numbers can divide into evenly. Okay, but before we proceed to the LCM, let's discuss first, or let us know first what do you mean by multiple. So a multiple is a number that can be divided by another number without a remainder. So for example, if you have you have 6. What are the multiples of 6? So it is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on and so forth. Okay, so 6 can be divided by 6, which is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and so on and so forth, something like that. Okay, another one, if you have 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, yeah, and so on and so forth. So if you are asked to list down, for example, in 6, list down the first 5 multiples of 6, so this will be the answer. And if you are asked to list down the first 5 multiples of 8, so this will be the answer. So it depends on the questions. Now, in this case, if you are looking for the lowest common multiple, as you can see here, 24 in the multiples of 6 and 24 in the multiple of 6. Yeah. So if you're going to continue in here for 6, so 30, 36, 42, and 48. The next number, 48, the multiples of 8, the next number is 48. So as you can see here, 48 also is the same. So 24 and 48 are called the common multiples. Yeah, so they are called the common multiples. But in this case, 24 is called the lowest common multiple, or the LCM. Okay, so that's how lowest common multiple works. So let's have the first example. Find the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8. We already have that one. Okay, let's change it. So find the lowest common multiple of 18 and 36. So some people, they list down the multiples of 18, and so they list down everything. So 18, 18, 18, 36, 54, then in here 36, 72. Yeah, so as you can see here, you already get the common multiples, or the LCM of 18 and 36. But there's an easy way to get the lowest common multiple. So 18 and 36. So by simply dividing both numbers by 18, 18 divided by 1, 18 divided by 18 is 1, 36 divided by 18 is 2. And then all you have to do is multiply these numbers. So you have 18 times 1 times 2 is equal to 36. So that is the LCM. Okay, let's have another one. So which of these numbers are common multiples of 10 and 15? Okay, so common multiples of 10 and 15. From the choices, which one do you think? So let's list down 10 and 15. So the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I just list down up to 60 because the highest number among the choices is 60. Then multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, and 60. Now, as you can see, the common or the same multiple are 30 and 60. So therefore, the answer from the choices are 30 and 60. Okay? Okay, let's have more. So third example, find the lowest common multiple of 20 and 25. So I'm going to use my method. So 20 and 25. So 20 and 25 are divisible by 5. Okay, so you try to apply your divisibility rules from the previous lesson, which I'm going to put the link below, or it's an out. Okay, 20 divisible by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, so 4 and 5 cannot be divided by a particular number. All you have to do is 5 times 4 times 5. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. Then 20 times 5 is 100. So therefore, the LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. All right. And next, how about if you have three numbers? So find a common multiple of 3, 6, and 9. So the same thing, I'm going to use the division 6 and 9. So 3, 6, and 9 are divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So since I cannot divide these numbers anymore by a single number, so I just multiplied them. So 3 times 1 times 2 times 3. You just multiply these numbers. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 is 6, times 3 is 18. So therefore, the LCM is the LCM of 3, 6, 9 is 18. All right. For the last example, find the lowest common multiple of 5, 15, and 20. Okay, again, I'm going to use the division process. 5, 15, and 20 are divisible by 5 because they ends at 5 ends or 0. 5 divided by 5 is 1, 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 1, 3, 4 cannot be divided by a single number. I will just multiply 5 times 1 times 3 times 4. So 5 times 1 is 5, times 3 is 15, times 4 is 60. Therefore, the LCM of 5, 15, and 20 is 60. All right? So that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Till next time, bye-bye.